Welcome to exercise 5. In this video I will be exploring the applications of drones, specifically in the country of Germany. So what are drones? The term drone usually refers to any unpiloted aircraft, sometimes referred to as an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV. These crafts can carry out an impressive range of tasks, ranging from military operations to package delivery. Drones can be as large as an aircraft or as small as the palm of your hand. So there are a few different types of drones. Drones can come in a variety of types, each tailored to unique demands of different industries. For instance, some people require lightweight drones to hold a camera for photography, while others need robust drones to transport heavy medical supplies. As a result, companies produce drones that come in four main types: single rotor, multi-rotor, fixed wing, and fixed wing hybrid, or VTOL. What are they used for? Again, drones have a variety of different applications. Here are just a few. Everything from photography, shipping and delivery. We see this in America with most notably Amazon utilizing drones to deliver packages, geographical mapping, disaster management, precision agriculture. This one particularly is large in the United States. Search and rescue, weather forecasting, wildlife monitoring, law enforcement, and just entertainment. So drones in Germany specifically, this application kind of goes with SDG number 13, climate action. The German Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Climate Protection is funding a new 3-year research project on the use of passenger-grade air taxis and cargo drones to complement helicopter and ship deployments when servicing offshore wind farms. The idea is to fly technicians and materials out to sea using drones and reduce the time and cost it takes to service the wind turbines. So here are two truths and a lie. Number one, the first official use of a drone was in 1989. Number two, as of January 2021, there are 1,782,479 drones registered in the United States. Number three, in North Carolina, you are required to obtain a license or permit from the state's Division of Aviation in order to operate a drone. Thank you.